Alright, man, welcome to another episode of Subtopic. I'm your host, Subtopic. And before we get started, we're going to do this medium puzzle Sudoku for today, August 11th. So, let's see if we can complete this. Let's begin. Okay, one's got to go here. And another one right here. One here. Right here. Takes care of the ones. Let's try twos. Two goes here. Right here. I'm missing 3 blocks. Here. And this one. Well, let's see. Right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing a 6 somewhere. Here. And a 7. 6 and 7. Too early to tell. Let's move on to 3s. 3 goes here. 3 goes here. That's all I can figure for the 3s, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm missing 6 and 7 here. There's a 6 here. So that means a 6 has got to go here. Then I'm missing 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm missing a 4 in this row. Okay. We're getting somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm 6. 7. 7. 8, 9. I'm missing a 9 in this block. That means the 7's gotta go here. We getting there. A little bit at a time. Let's see. Grab your drink. If you can do this faster than me, kudos to you, man. I just came back from a workout, so I'm really tired. Let's see. So we had done the 3s, right? Let's move to 4s. I have 4, 4. I'm missing a 4 in this block space, but it could go either here or here. I'm missing a 4 in this space. I have 4s coming down, so a 4's gotta go here. What else am I missing a 4? I'm missing 2. One up here and another one over here. So it can go either here or here in this block space, and either here or here in this block space. So not enough information. 5s. We got 5s all down here. 5s all down here. We can have a 5 either here or here. 5 in any of these. And a 5 either here or here. So not enough information. Based off of, just looking at it for what it is. 6s, we got 6s coming down. 6s here, we're missing a 6 right here. Let's see. 6 is going up, down. We're missing a 6 right here. Where else am I missing a 6 over here on this space? We got these coming up. This one's coming sideways, so a 6 has got to go right here. That completes the 6s. 7s. And notice how there's 6 7s missing. 7s. Okay, so a 7 has got to go here, man. 7. We got it. 7 coming this way, 7 coming that way. It can go in any of these. In this direction, it can go in any of these. This direction and in any of these. Coming up, this block space here. It can go here, here, here. 7s. Not enough information, just from what I'm seeing. 8s. We got 8s. 8s. This is complete 8 here. We got an 8 coming this way, 8 coming that way. 8 going up. Left, right. So coming up. Can't be any of these. Coming in this direction and this direction. That means an 8 has to go here. 8s. We got 8s. Now in this direction, coming down. And in this direction, freeze this one. There's got to go an 8 in there. 8 coming in this direction. It can either go here or here. Not enough information based on this. But right here, notice how we have an 8 coming down. The only space to put an 8 in this block space is here. So now you have this one coming down, and you have an 8 on this direction. So that means an 8 has to go here. And we figured out the 8s. Now we're missing one block space here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like we're missing a 7 in here. So 7 in this row. 7, we got it. Let's see, what else can we figure out? Columns. Let's go. Let's continue with the 9s. I want to see if we can do any more 9s. So 9 up. This direction. We're missing a 9 right here. 9. We're missing one here. So coming down like this. And in this direction, it can either go here or here. So not enough information off of that up here in this direction. It can either go here or here. 9s in this direction. We got this block space here. And then this one blocking it completely. So a 9 has to go here. Now, 9 in this direction. 9. It frees these 2 spaces. Down here, it either go here or here. And over here, we don't have enough information. Okay, so now we're going to break this down. So right here, we're missing 1. We're missing a 2. A 2 can either go here or here. 2, 3, 4. What are we missing? 5? We're missing a 5 here. So either in this direction or right here, 5. So let's see. There's only 2 numbers missing here. In this column. In this row, I'm just missing 1 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a 5 would go here, right? That's the only one I'm missing here. 5. Got him. 5. Let's see. 1. We're missing a 2. A 2 can either go here, here, or here. Let's grab some more drink. This is water. Technically Gatorade. The powdered mix, it's lemon lime flavored. I think it's great. Alright, let's see. Where are we? So let's highlight the 2s again. Let's see where we're at with the 2s. We got a 2 here. We're missing a 2 here. And we're missing a 2 here. And we're missing another one over here. So these 3 spaces. 3s. How are we doing with the 3s? 3s. I think we figured out where a 3 could go. We got this 3 coming in this direction, this 3 coming down. A 3's got to go here. Now that frees up this here, another 3. We're missing 2 3s. So a 3 can either go here or here. And in this direction, it can either go here, 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 or here. That's the 3s. Any spaces where we have 1 block left? I don't see anything. 4s. 4s, we're missing a 4 over here. And another 4 up here. So still not enough enough information. 5s. We're missing a 5 here, and over here. 5s. 7, 7. We're missing 4 7s. Let's see, we got in this direction 7. 7's gotta go here. Freeze up this one. 7 goes here. 7 coming up. Up, up. 7. We're missing 1. 7s. Here, 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 and here. 7 gotta go here. 7s are completed. Go back to the 8s. Let's see, 8. All of these are complete. Wait, all the 8s are done. What am I doing? 9s. We're missing 3 9s still, so a 9 for sure has gotta go here. Notice this. See this coming down? You only have this block space here remaining, so the 9 goes here. Now 1, you don't have a 2 in this block space, so a 2's gotta go here. Let's go back to the 9s. 9 coming down. 9 gotta go here. 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4 in this block space. I don't see a 4. Now we're... Oh, nice. I didn't have to complete it all. I didn't really read what the challenge was, man. My bad. Oops. Alright. And done. Today's challenge is completed. Alright, perfect, perfect. We can exit out of this now. I wanted to try to do this, man. This is a guess the logo sound challenge by... Who's this channel? Wiz Quiz. And looks like they got a couple of you. Let's try this out, man. Let's see how many we can get. Just for fun. Let's begin.
How many logo sounds can you recognize by just hearing them? Let's find out in today's challenge. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. All right, let's begin. Let's start easy.
That's McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it, I think is what it says.
Can you guess the sound logo?
McDonald's. Locking in McDonald's.
Yes, it's McDonald's.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next logo.
Oh, dude. Is it part of these? Is it any one of these? Well, they checked off this box. What? Nah, I gotta go back, man. What was that?
Next logo.
Dude, that sucks, bro. That sucks. What is that? What is that, bro? I'm gonna guess it's Xbox, man. It sounds like a game to me. Xbox locking in. If it's one of these, it's gotta be Xbox. Final answer.
It's Oreo.
Dude, I suck, bro. Oh, man. That's Oreo? Are you serious? Man.
What sound logo is this?
Dude, that's gotta be Coke, bro. Come on, man. Coca-Cola. I heard the fizzle. Yeah, to be fair, man, I don't have an Xbox, so, you know, I really mean comments, you know, just know that I am PlayStation, so.
It's Coca-Cola.
Yes. Yeah. Haven't had one in a long time.
Do you prefer Coca-Cola or Pepsi? Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite.
You know, Pepsi, like, doesn't burn the throat, in my opinion, but Coca-Cola does. So I guess it's all preference. Like, Pepsi is, like, sweeter, and it doesn't burn the throat compared to Coke, so.
Bread.
I guess it just depends how you wanna, do you wanna feel the burn or not, Pepsi's always good. That's just my opinion.
Can you recognize this sound?
Oh my God. YouTube. That's literally the sound YouTube makes when I put it on the TV. If it ain't YouTube, I don't know what I'm doing here, man. It might be Netflix, bro. I'm gonna lock in YouTube.
It's YouTube.
Yes. Yeah. That's the sound it makes on the TV. That's Netflix, bro. That's Netflix. Netflix locking in.
Yes, it's Netflix.
So far, I've only gotten one wrong. Which was the Oreo thing.
Can you find the real Netflix logo?
Is it difference of color here between these two? Is that the difference? I'm colorblind, man. I would have to say the real Netflix logo is this one. But these look the same color, though. Ah, it's not this one. Ah, man. I'm gonna say it's this one. Dude, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I think there's a color difference. This one looks like brighter, I guess. I'm gonna say this one. Yay! I was right. Popeyes, man. Yeah. Love that chicken from Popeyes, man. Yeah.
The answer is Popeyes.
Love that chicken from Popeyes.
I might have butchered the lyrics there.
Who has the best chicken? KFC?
Oh, that's a good question. That's a good question. Sometimes, the thing is that KFC, like, they always make you wait, man, in the drive-thru. That's the problem. They're like, can you park in the front? We'll take your order out to you. That kind of throws it out and all.
Or Popeyes? Vote in the comments.
Just because of that, Popeyes. Oh, that's unmistakable Pixar. Yeah.
Do you know it?
I always wanted to have that kind of lamp, man. Should buy one just for fun. Pixar.
Yes, it's Pixar.
The fun
What
goes
sound
too
logo
far.
is this one?
Okay, I've seen this only because of PewDiePie, and when he would do the whole, spoofing Coco Melon. That's the only reason I know this. Is Coco Melon, man. PewDiePie, he would do this weird intro. Coco Melon.
It's Coco Melon.
Yeah. He would have his face on there.
Listen carefully.
That's Apple ringtone, man. That's the classic. That's the classic Apple ringtone, man.
It's Apple.
Yeah. Unmistakable, man. That's unmistakable.
What's your guess?
Dude. That's TikTok. That's TikTok. Right? It's gotta be TikTok. When you watch the video, right? Yeah.
Yes, it's TikTok.
Yeah. Nice. Got him. Taco Bell, bro. Taco Bell. You know what? I'm concerned here, man, because we're 4 minutes in and we're running out of options. Taco Bell, locking in.
It's Taco Bell.
At some point, it's just gonna be like the last one left, man. You know what I mean?
Only at Taco Bell.
Yeah. It's been a long time since. Oh.
Which of these is the correct Taco Bell logo?
I'm gonna say this one. The colors look off here. But I am colorblind, so I'm locking in this. This one. Dude, no way. No way. Oh, man. Windows. That is the Windows startup, man. Yeah. Windows startup. Unmistakable.
It's Windows.
Yep. XP, man. Shoot. So far away ago.
Can you guess this one?
Okay, that's gotta be Xbox, man. That's gotta be Xbox. Xbox locking in. Xbox locking in.
You're rocking it. It's Xbox.
Ah. Oh, what?
Round 2.
What? Oh.
Guess the sound logo.
Hulu? Is that Hulu? I'm gonna say Hulu. Locking in Hulu. Hulu.
It's Hulu.
Yeah. Ah.
Pizza, 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 pizza.
Little Caesars, man. Budget friendly and very good pizza too. I must say, that would be Little Caesars. Yep. Yep.
Little Caesars.
No doubt. No
Pizza,
doubt.
pizza, pizza,
Cannot
pizza,
go wrong.
pizza, pizza.
Can't go wrong with Little Caesars, man.
What sound logo is this?
Something about the sauce, you know. No, this one goes like, I'm remembering that lady who falls. That's Walt Disney, man. That's Walt Disney. What we just heard is Walt Disney. It's gotta be. It's gotta be.
Awesome job. It's Disney.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many fingers does Mickey Mouse have?
Oh, that's a good question, man. On each hand? Or per hand? Like, is it for both hands? Or how many fingers does Mickey have in one hand? Man, I'm gonna say 4.
A 5, B 4, or C 3?
I'm gonna say 4. I don't know. I'm gonna say 4.
The correct answer is B. He has 4 fingers.
Yeah.
Listen carefully.
Oh, dude. I'm gonna say that's the Skype sound.
Which logo is
I
it?
never had Skype. I'm gonna say I'm Skype. I'm between Skype and FaceTime, but I'm gonna lock in Skype.
Yes, it's Skype.
Yeah, Skype, man. Yeah.
Have it your way.
Burger King, have it your way. Have it your way, Burger King, man. Burger King.
Yes, it's Burger King.
Have it your way.
It's been a long time since I had Burger King.
Who do you think has the best fries?
Ooh. You know, Burger King puts a lot of salt in them, man. This is a good question. It's not an easy one. I'm gonna say Burger King.
Let us know in the comments.
Burger King. Burger King for sure.
Listen closely.
Is that FaceTime?
Can you guess it?
FaceTime? Is that FaceTime? I think that's FaceTime.
It's Messenger.
Oh, dude, that's too wrong, man. I don't have Messenger, so I don't know. I don't even know what that is for.
Better ingredients, better pizza.
Papa John's. Papa John's. Papayón.
Yes, of course, it's Papa John's.
Yeah, man.
Papa John's. Better
It's actually good. It's actually really good. They just don't have one here where I'm at.
ingredients, better pizza.
Is that John Leguizamo or whatever? Sounds like his. That's the lady who falls, man, on the chair. That's the reason I know Universal. Yeah, it's Universal. It's not Universal.
Which one is it?
Universal. Locking in Universal.
Great job, it's Universal.
Yeah. Yeah, you know the lady falls off a coffee table or something, man. So we'll see. We'll check that out, man. Softful stuff, sir. Among Us, man. That was a fun game. Among Us.
You got it. It's Among Us.
Yeah, man.
Can you find the exit?
And then through here, and then through here. Got it. '20th Century Fox. It was like watching Home Alone because that was, I think that was in the beginning of the film. 20th Century Fox. By default, the last one is FaceTime, right? Gotta be.
Amazing. 20th Century Fox.
Remember that scene in Terminator? Man, Home Alone 2. When the guy's like, your very own cheese pizza, you know. I've never wanted a pizza more. When I see that scene, man, that pizza's amazing. It looks amazing.
You cannot miss this one. Or can you?
FaceTime, man. It's the only one left. If you got this one wrong, right? Unless they do you dirty. It's gotta be FaceTime. By default.
It's FaceTime.
FaceTime, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Comment who you think that is in the
Pac-Man.
comments. Don't forget to comment.
All right, man. Let me know how many you missed. I missed the Messenger and the Oreo one. So, my bad. Oops. I made a mistake. So, I missed 2. Let me know how many you missed in the comments. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, hit the like button. And I'll see you all in the next one, man. Peace.